Jesse has been planning for emergencies, and he realized that he doesn't know what to do if there is an emergency right at his home, like a fire or a flood. Let's work with Jesse to learn how to make a family emergency plan so we can all be prepared for anything that comes our way. A family emergency plan is a plan that you create with everyone who lives in your house that tells you what to do in different types of emergencies. Having a family emergency plan ensures that every member of the family knows what to do and where to go in case of an emergency. Every member of the family plays an important role in emergencies. The responsibilities of each person can be listed in the plan too. Emergencies are not fun to think about because they can be scary to go through, but having a plan can make them a lot less scary, and you will feel better knowing how to handle them if they do happen. First, think about the specific needs of your family. Different types of emergencies can happen in different places. Jesse lives in an area that sometimes has floods, but you might live somewhere that has a different risk. This is why it's important to talk with your adults about what types of emergencies can happen and make a plan for those. Next, plan escape routes and a meeting spot. Sometimes you have to leave your home when there is an emergency, like during a fire. It's important to have a designated meeting spot that everyone knows, in case you aren't together when you leave the house. It might be a special tree, or a neighbor's house, or another nearby building. It's good to have a neighborhood meeting spot and a meeting spot inside your home. Also, it helps to know 2 ways to exit every room in your home. It may be helpful to draw a map of your home and label every exit. You can draw your escape routes on the map and practice those too. Then, make a go bag and know where it is. A go bag is a bag full of supplies you may need in an emergency. Everyone in the family should know where the bag is stored, and someone should have the job of grabbing it in an emergency. Finally, practice often. It's important to practice as many emergency procedures as you can. Practicing these procedures will help you stay calm if a real emergency happens. Let's review those steps. First, think about the specific needs of your family. Next, plan escape routes and a meeting spot. Then, make a go bag and know where it is. Finally, practice often. It feels good to have plans in place, just in case. Jesse earned his Emergency Plan Badge. Help your family get ready for an emergency and earn your badge too. See you later!